Hey everyone, I am Jerry B, the Creative Community Connector, and you may be asking, what is that? It's fine. I am a creative. I offer innovative and unique content through art and design and creative consulting. In community, I work with groups of people who are unified by common interests and social values to manage and coordinate their projects and meetings and workshops. I connect and cultivate people to networks that empower them to overcome their barriers. It is my passion to serve. I am the Creative Community Connector, and I look forward to serving you. Feel free to reach me, Jerry B, at 678-870-4028, or email me at schedulejerryb@gmail.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.